Anyways, so wait, no. But it's a good foundation. I've already graduated from college. Anyways, so but I don't get it. Anyways, like, wait, no. Whatever. Oh wait, no. YOLO, whatever. Or no, what is this? Why not? Or, okay. It's my brow. Wait, no. Now I'm in the, wait, no. I don't think I'm having a good brow day. Oh my god, these are so thick. What should I say? And I'm not trying to brag. Anyways, so it's okay. At least I tried, right? Spider on my face. Where was I going with this? I don't know. It's actually it. Oh crap. Tickling. I think. I really don't want this to be a pointless video. I think I look a little scary. That's okay. Lashes. Whatever. I mean, okay, so, oh wait, let me just, go. Honestly, it's kind of funny. I hope so. I hope everybody who watches it, it just kind of gives them something to do and brightens their day, because I know right now it's just everybody is so bored, confined in their houses, that it's just like, what do you do with your time? Wait, no. Everybody, what should I say?